Mind over matter. The dawn of a new era. Imagine a world where you control your surroundings with your thoughts, where disabilities fade as minds interface seamlessly with technology. This isn't science fiction, it's the future that brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, promise. We stand at the cusp of a technological revolution, one that could redefine our relationship with our brains and the world around us. BCIs offer a direct line of communication between our minds and machines, bypassing the limitations of our physical bodies. The potential benefits are staggering, from restoring mobility to those with paralysis, to unlocking new frontiers in human cognition. This technology holds the key to unlocking the full potential of the human mind. Join me as we delve into the exciting world of BCIs, exploring their inner workings, potential applications, and the profound ethical questions they raise. Bridging the gap. Decoding the language of the brain. To understand BCIs, we must first grasp the language of the brain electrical impulses. Every thought, feeling, and action originates from these tiny electrical signals that zip between neurons in our brains. Neural interfaces act as translators, bridging the gap between these electrical whispers and the digital world. They allow us to eavesdrop on the brain's conversations and interpret its commands. There are different types of BCIs, but they all share the same goal: to read and interpret brain activity and translate it into meaningful commands. This allows us to control external devices, communicate our thoughts, and even enhance our cognitive abilities, all through the power of our minds. This field is rapidly evolving, driven by groundbreaking research and technological advancements. We are only beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible with BCIs. The mechanics of thought, how neural interfaces tap into our brains. At the heart of every BCI lie electrodes, tiny sensors that detect the faint electrical signals produced by our brains. These electrodes can be placed on the scalp, like in an EEG, or implanted directly into the brain tissue for more precise readings. Neuralink, a company founded by Elon Musk, is developing a particularly ambitious BCI. They are creating ultra-thin, flexible electrodes that are implanted by a surgical robot. Their goal is to create a seamless and minimally invasive interface with the brain. Neuralink's system also includes a tiny, powerful chip that amplifies and processes brain signals before transmitting them wirelessly to external devices. This allows for real-time communication between the brain and computers or other devices. The technology is incredibly complex, but the basic principle is simple. Listen to the brain's electrical symphony, decode its messages, and use that information to control the outside world. A world of possibilities. BCIs in healthcare, communication, and beyond. The potential applications of BCIs are vast and transformative. In healthcare, they offer hope for patients with paralysis, allowing them to control prosthetic limbs with their thoughts. BCIs can also help restore lost senses like hearing and vision by bypassing damaged nerves and sending sensory information directly to the brain. Imagine a world where deafness and blindness are no longer insurmountable barriers. Beyond medicine, BCIs hold the key to more intuitive communication, allowing us to express our thoughts and emotions directly without the need for words. Imagine composing an email or writing a book simply by thinking. The gaming and entertainment industries are also ripe for disruption. BCIs could create truly immersive virtual reality experiences where we control the environment with our minds, blurring the lines between the digital and real worlds. These are just a few examples of how BCIs could revolutionize our lives. As the technology matures, the possibilities are limited only by our imagination. Neuralink's ambitious vision. A future intertwined with AI. Neuralink's ambitions extend far beyond medical applications. Elon Musk envisions a future where BCIs merge humans and artificial intelligence, creating a symbiotic relationship that enhances our cognitive abilities and allows us to keep pace with rapidly advancing technology. Imagine having instant access to vast stores of information, like a search engine directly linked to your brain, or the ability to learn new skills at an accelerated pace. Neuralink believes BCIs could be the key to unlocking a new era of human potential. While this vision may seem like science fiction, Neuralink's early progress has been impressive. They have already demonstrated their BCI technology in animals, allowing monkeys to control computer cursors and play video games with their minds. The road ahead is long and challenging, but Neuralink's bold vision has ignited the imaginations of scientists, entrepreneurs, and the public alike. The race to merge minds and machines is on.